Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool COOKTOP OS1 part #7920P202-60. The Whirlpool COOKTOP OS1 part #7920P202-60 is a 30-inch electric cooktop with 4 heating elements. It features a sleek black ceramic glass surface that is easy to clean and maintain. The cooktop has 2 dual radiant elements, one 6-inch and one 9-inch, that provide precise heat control for all your cooking needs. The cooktop also features a hot surface indicator light that lets you know when the surface is hot to the touch. The cooktop also has a control lock feature that prevents unintended activation of the heating elements. This cooktop is designed. This part fixes the following symptoms. 1. Unpack the cooktop and all of its components. Make sure to check that all parts are included and in good condition. 2. Turn off the power to the cooktop at the circuit breaker or fuse box. 3. Install the cooktop into the countertop cutout, making sure it is level and secure. 4. Connect the electrical wiring to the cooktop, following local codes and manufacturer's instructions. Make sure to use a ground fault circuit interrupter (GFCI) outlet if required, by local codes or manufacturer's instructions. 5. Turn on the power to the cooktop at the circuit. Here is how you install this part. The Whirlpool COOKTOP OS1 part #7920P202-60 is designed to replace the existing cooktop in your kitchen. It does not fix any specific symptoms, but it can help improve the overall performance of your kitchen by providing a more efficient and reliable cooking surface. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.